Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video, Lollapalooza Post. Ang pinakabagong update ng Lollapalooza, kinalampag, binaha, binagyo, inulan ng komento at reaksyon ng mga 18. Oh my God, talagang samot-saring nag-react. Lahat halos 18. Very excited sila at happy at finally mag-perform sa Amerika sa Lollapalooza ang ating mahalima, The King of P-Pop, at marami ang komento. At ito, dalawang American fans o casual na very excited sila sa pag-perform ng SB19 sa kanilang Lollapalooza sa Chicago. At ito nga ang dalawang American fans o casual na si Vivian Hayworth at Brian Crawford. At nasusulat ang komento ni Brian Crawford. Sabi niya, "Sorry that the SB19 post might bother some people but 18. The global fandom is very passionate. There is a reason they won the Billboard and Army Face-Off 3 consecutive years in a row. There will be a worldwide representation of fans there to see this amazing group of artists." Sabi naman ng isang American girl, si Vivian Hayworth, "I'm so excited for SB19. They are from Philippines and I kinda like them. I hope they don't disappoint me." Sabi naman ni Pixie Witchy McLennan, "I think nakapag-asawa ito ng American, isang Pilipina. I think so. I'm excited for our own SB19, the first Filipino to perform in Lollapalooza. Heard him out and see it for yourself why we're so crazy about this group. Live monster, stable vocals, insane harmonization, hashtag iHeartRadio, hashtag Grammy, hashtag WBBM." Diba? Kaya naman maraming salamat sa isang Phil-Am at dalawang American na ating namataan sa post ng Lollapalooza sa Facebook. Samantala, narito pa ang napakaraming komento at reaksyon mula sa iba't ibang klaseng fans at 18, Certified 18.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets.
At heto nga, sandamakmak ang nagkomento at nag-react. Pati mga ibang lahi, mga American, Western people ay nagkomento din. Dahil nga sa panibagong post ng Lollapalooza, trending at viral ang 18. Sabi nga, sirain nyo ang dance floor, murder the dance floor, vocal monsters, SB19 giving hype, and unforgettable live performances, dynamic live performances sa Lollapalooza. Yan ang The King of P-Pop. Maraming excited, lahat ng 18, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, hindi lang sa Asia, kundi lalo na sa buong Amerika. Puro talaga SB19, SB19, super excited lahat. Kaya naman, heto pa ang mga komento at reaksyon mula sa 18 sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo.